Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable mail privacy protection on iPhone in iOS 15. First, you have to update your iPhone to iOS 15 if you haven't before. To update your iPhone, open Settings. Go to General. Tap on Software Update. If you'll see Update here, tap on Download and Install. And if you don't see iOS 15 update, this means that you're on iOS 15 or your iPhone doesn't support. To enable mail privacy protection, go back to Settings. Scroll down to Mail. Then scroll down to Privacy Protection. Enable Protect Mail Activity. Mail privacy protection helps protect your privacy by preventing email senders from learning information about your mail activity. When you turn it on, it hides your IP address so senders can't link it to your other online activity or determine your location. It also prevents senders from seeing if you've opened the email they sent you. If you want to know more about this, you can tap on Learn More. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.